Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Adobe Illustrator to Cricut Design Space for vinyl logos. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Illustrator and create your vinyl logo design. Once your design is ready, ensure all elements are appropriately grouped. Next, select all elements of your design. Go to the File menu in Illustrator. From the drop-down menu, choose Export. In the Export dialog, select SVG as your file format. Name your file and choose a location to save it. Click Export and adjust the SVG options if necessary. Make sure to select Use Artboards if you want to include only the visible area. Click OK to export your design as an SVG file. Now, open Cricut Design Space in your web browser. Log in to your Cricut account if you haven't already. Click on New Project to start a new design. On the left side, select Upload from the menu. Next, click on Upload Image. Select the SVG file you exported from Illustrator. After your image uploads, you will see a preview. Click Insert Images to add the design to your canvas. Resize or position your design as needed in Cricut Design Space. Once you're satisfied with the design, click the Make It button. Follow the prompts to send your design to your Cricut machine. Now you can proceed with cutting your vinyl logo successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.